This is a stretch for your soleus muscle, which is one of your calf muscles. So the soleus runs from the base of the leg up to about the middle of the back of the leg. So whereas with the more commonly performed calf stretch, the gastrocnemius stretch, which looks a little something like this, and then you lean forward, often we feel that one higher up. This one, for the soleus, you're gonna feel it more in the middle of the leg. So let me show you the best way where you can feel this. So we've got our wall, or you could use a piece of furniture in front of you, just something that's not gonna move, that's sturdy for balance. You're gonna step back with the leg that you wanna stretch. Heels on the ground, knees straight. And then once you're ready, you're just gonna drop your body straight down, and you're not gonna have to go very far, and you should feel a nice stretch in the middle of the back of the leg. And what I mean by that is it's gonna look something like this. We're keeping the foot flat on the ground, and we're just kind of dropping straight down. And right there, I'm feeling a really nice stretch right in the middle of the back of the left leg. And that is your soleus stretch. Try it out.